Throwing a flashback.
You're there, brah. Now you're supposed to run in after.
To your right, to your right.
Good job, dude.
Good half.
Good half. This game's pretty easy. Look how much we're winning against you guys.
New keyboard.
Nice. Let's have 2 at A, 1 mid, and 2 at
Oh, I
B.
forgot. I have a P2
I go long.
I go cat.
Okay, I'll go B.
I go mid.
Wasting time. Let's go.
Good job, good job.
Yes.
Very good team. Very good. My accident is so shit. Should I rotate or?
One cat, one cat.
One long. Bombs at long. I mean not long. B.
Counter-terrorist
Job. There's a Tech 9 on the ground if you could pick that up for me. Alright, whatever.
Oops.
It's...
Go SMGs.
SMG is the weapon of choice.
Yes, SMG.
Do not be afraid.
Get a SMG. Come on.
Audio.
Y3 to A.
No one watching mid. I hear a lot of tons. Rotate B, rotate B.
Audio.
Coming right now.
There's 3 on site right now. I don't know where the last guy is. There we go, 3 on site.
Push.
Push in, go, 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 go.
Deploying decoy.
Nice, good job. Last guy must be in the back.
I'm defusing the bomb.
Good job, team. Good
Defusing,
job.
defusing.
That's how we do it. That's how we do it, team.
Look at that spot.
Counter-terrorist win.
Alright, you guys wanna buy now? Or save it again? Or what? Buy diffusers, everyone. Don't be a loser.
Let's go, people.
Don't be a loser. Buy a
Audio.
diffuser.
Laying down smoke. Throwing flashbang.
Don't be a kidder and you might be a
Deploying
winner?
flashbang.
Huh? Yeah? No? Good pick.
Yes. Thanks.
Yellow, you lagging there?
Throwing
Yeah,
a
rush
grenade.
mid, 4 mid. 2 cat side.
Use it for 52.
Have a low, have
There's
a low.
3 cat, 3 cat, 4 cat, 4 cat,
Flashbang.
4 cat. Oh!
Oh, baby.
He just killed 2 guys with 1 board.
Counter-terrorists win.
Oh my god.
What? Ew. What the
my
fuck is this
goodness.
shit? Waistline Rebel? Disgusting. If we lose next round, can I up mid? Or like
Yeah,
watch
we
cut?
That.
Can
Nah,
please
yeah.
watch
Grab your
cut?
gear and let's go.
Maybe.
Smoke.
I don't think we're gonna lose it.
Alright, whatever. If we win, I'll still up cut.
Throwing flashbang. Deploying flashbang. Grenade out.
Just throwing some useless nades.
Who's watching mid?
They're playing it slow.
I heard some long. I hear some long.
Yes.
Nothing's a ton.
Are they pushing?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, there's a pit. Let's go, rush him.
Counter-terrorist.
Good job.
Nice.
Nice.